Welcome to Learn You. This is an introductory video to the online course on 7QC tools and 8D problem solving. Let us see what this course has for us. So firstly, what are the 7QC tools? The management in a production facility have loads of responsibilities that involves process improvement and solving problems that occur in the shop floor. The 7QC tools are systematic tools that are based on scientific methods specifically employed to solve problems, improve process effectively, and create permanent solutions, hence enhancing the overall quality of production and services. In this particular course, the areas that we will be focusing on are objective of 7QC tools, background of 7QC tools that discuss its history, conception, and evolution, an introduction to 7QC tools in an industrial context, why use 7QC tools, when to use 7QC tools, and what are the 7QC tools exactly. Our approach to learn the 7QC tools and its applications will start with an individual introduction to each and every 7QC tool, which includes its definition, overview, general representation, and uses. Next, we move on to the procedure that describes the method in which each of these tools can be applied to tackle specific issues that occur in a shop floor. Then we move on to the benefits of being able to solve the problems and manage resources, processes, and manpower. And finally, we get to the case study that cites real-life instances of dealing with problems encountered by an industry and how using the appropriate 7QC tool helped in solving them or improve their processes. The 8D problem-solving methodology is literally an 8-step systematic process that is primarily team-oriented in its approach. It is the most particularized version of quality control process on the PDCA cycle, consisting of steps like planning, establishing a team, defining the problem, mitigating the effects of the problem, defining the root causes of the problem, implementing corrective actions, actively communicating with the team members for updates and recognize their efforts and achievements. Using this methodology is highly effective in problem solving. And lastly, an 8D report must be produced in the end. The contents that we are going to learn pertaining to 8D methodology includes its history, what is 8D methodology, why is it needed, when is it applied, hindrances and shortcomings that occur during the problem solving process, the importance of an 8D report, steps followed in an 8D methodology, and the format of 8D methodology during the problem solving procedure. The benefits of 7QC tools and 8D problem solving in industries. Following these methods provides a well-structured path for problem solving. It encourages and promotes teamwork. It enables production engineers to find root causes of problems and solve them permanently and effectively. It actually reduces the cost of poor quality. It also assists organization to comply with the customer-specific requirement for management concerns. Register today to our online course on 7QC tools and 8D problem-solving methodology to become a better engineer and stand out in a competitive world.